I ate a lot. I love corn. Me too. I love corn too.
You love corn?
So much. It makes me want to eat all corn. I love corn so much that I want to eat all corn. I am eating all corn right now.
Okay.
I got a lot more than you.
Mm-hmm.
I'm a fast eater.
What'd you say?
I'm a fast eater. Mmm. Mmm. I can cut a candle. I can cut one candle at one piece one time. They're both gone. Hit them. Now I'm gonna cut one piece and another. They're gonna disappear and reappear back. Now, let's.
Look, I'm almost done my first piece. I'm gonna take some big bites.
I can eat two at a time.
Let's see. Yeah, you can.
Two at a time, and then I got two pieces on one piece, and then I cut a piece, and then I cut the same piece in two pieces, and then I ate them in my hand.
I saw that.
That's what I do on camera. I want another piece of cantaloupe after this one. This cantaloupe is really good.
You can also have some black-eyed peas, some spaghetti squash, and tomatoes too.
Yep. Did you know there's water in this?
Is there water in there?
Boom.
How do you know there's water in it?
Because I filled water in
You
it.
felt water in it? Okay. Okay. Let me have that plate. Here's your another plate. Yeah, keep your fork. There you got tomatoes, spaghetti squash, black-eyed peas.
What spaghetti squash?
Spaghetti squash.
I don't like that.
You don't like it? Well, Do you like your tomatoes and black-eyed peas?
Mm-hmm.
You do, but you don't like spaghetti squash. Okay. Let me see you eat a black-eyed pea, see if you like it. You do like it. You do like it. I didn't give you milk, do you? You got milk? You want milk? Yeah, milk.
I want more cantaloupe.
More cantaloupe. Well, on 2 pieces of cantaloupe left. That's one for Drew, one for Grandma.
No, one for me and one for Drew. Yeah.
No, you had one, and I had one, and there's 2 left. One for Drew, one for Grandma.
The Grandma is gonna have it for me and her, and Drew is gonna eat her whole piece.
Oh, okay.